Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on how to curve your text in a circle using Canva. To get started, log in to Canva and open your workspace. On the screen, you can see an example of curved text that I've already created. It's simple, clean, and professional. Curved text typically looks best with 3 to 4 words, as anything more can appear too busy. Let's walk through the steps to create your own. First, click on the text tool and type in your words. I'm using Karma Comes Back for this example. After typing, adjust the size and position it in the center of your canvas. Once your text is in place, click on the Effects button at the top of the screen. From the options on the left, select Curve. Use the slider to adjust the curve to your liking, making sure the text forms a nice, smooth circle. Sometimes the text might not curve perfectly because the letters are too close together. If that happens, click on the Spacing button, then use the letter spacing slider to create a more even spacing between the letters. This will help form a perfect circular shape. To make your design stand out, consider changing the colors of the text. You can also increase the size to make it more prominent, ensuring it's centered and balanced. Once you're happy with how it looks, add an element in the middle that complements your text. Adjust the color of the element to match your overall theme. And there you have it. That's how to curve your text in a circle using Canva. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.